If you're not first, you're last. I'm in. Oh, this is as far as I'm getting. What's up, everybody? Mike here from Red Apple Fireworks. Now, you might be asking yourself two questions right now. Number one, Mike, why are you at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway? And number two, Mike, why are you wearing this ridiculous holiday cardigan? Well, that's because we are at the Glittering Lights holiday event right here at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm wearing this because it's almost the holidays. These cars are driving by, they're whipping past. I'm sure you can hear it super loud, absolutely amazing. What's even better is that at Glittering Lights VIP event that we're at tonight, we've got a fireworks show just for you. Let's go check it out. All right, let's go check out what Jimmy and the pyro crew have put together for tonight's festivities. Come on. All right, this is an amazing setup, that is for sure. We got a ton of amazing Red Apple product right here, along with some favorites from other brands like Shogun and Brothers over here. What do we got? Jelly 3-inch shell cakes right here, absolutely awesome. Neon special effect, jellyfish effects right here. We got Western Sky. Ooh, these cars are so loud, it's nuts. Another 3-inch shell cake right here. This is Chromatics from our Chroma brand. Right here, we got the Viva Mexico 135-shot XL aerial finale set right here. Beautiful red, white, and green effects that are perfect for Christmas. All in all, we've got a total up. Jimmy, do you know how many shots? 1 billion? Tonight's show includes more than 70 different aerials, as you can see on the ground behind me. And also looks like Jimmy has fused up a rack of 50 or so geisha shells that are all gonna launch together. And if you saw the finale at our Oktoberfest celebration, you know that 50 plus geisha shells going off at once is absolutely out of control. Also, what I'm really excited for right here are these two pieces. We've got the Shinobi 102 compound cake and the Wavelength 148 shot compound cake. The really cool thing about this is that each of these items right here is made up of two cakes side by side, and each cake makes up one half of a fan. So Shinobi right here and Shinobi right here, they're each fanned like that. And when they're lit together, you get this beautiful fan shape effect that fills up the entire sky. Very unique performances that even when all this stuff is going off together, you're gonna be able to pick out when Shinobi and Wavelength are going off. It is getting super cold. I think I need to find a hat and maybe a hot chocolate. Let's go check out these lights too. Come on.
So Mike, what are we doing?
We're about to meet Biscuit. Biscuit? Who's Biscuit the clown? Biscuit the reindeer? And and Mr. and Mrs. Claus. I've actually never done a Santa meeting. Good evening. Good evening. It's a pleasure to see you. You guys want to know a fun fact? This is my first ever Santa meeting. Are you serious? 100%. I've been Jewish.
What, that's How many years did it take you to get here?
30. How old am I?
You know what? There's nothing wrong with it.
I know it. No, I know.
How much did Santa pay for his new sleigh?
I don't know. How much did Santa pay for his new sleigh?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's on the house.
So we are on the Santa tram, headed to the entrance over here, and we're gonna start to see what this Glittering Lights deal is all about. It looks like we actually go under the bleachers for the racetrack here, so that should be pretty cool. And then it's like 3.5 miles of these just super bright holiday lights. So very excited. Is that a real baby? Those glittering lights were absolutely a beautiful thing to see, but I think I've had enough of lights on the ground. It's time to light it up in the sky. Let's go. absolutely amazing show. We lit it up here at the Glittering Lights in Las Vegas, Nevada. I can't wait to do it again next year, even bigger and better. Keep it locked right here on our channel because we got some amazing New Year's Eve and more Litmus videos coming at you soon. Peace.